Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bucket and auger assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you unwrap the package, you're going to get a new ice bucket and auger assembly. The ice bucket and auger assembly is located in the refrigerator compartment in the upper left corner. The ice bucket and auger assembly is designed to store, to crush, and to dispense the ice cubes on demand. If your refrigerator stops crushing the ice cubes or dispensing ice altogether, it's time to check the ice bucket and auger assembly and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. To remove the ice bucket and auger assembly, we need to pull this lever forward and just remove that assembly. This is the old ice bucket and auger assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new ice bucket and auger assembly, we need to make sure that the two pedals on the coupling do not interfere with this yoke at the back. So I'm going to turn this horizontal, and then we're going to slide it in. Right, we're going to slide this assembly in and lift it up a little bit and push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.